So the F-150 comes with a ladder, right?
Okay. Is that what that really is for? No, it's not. Stop. Jesus. I can't take this fucking guy anywhere. Hopefully I don't get raped on this road.
Hello?
Just grab and run, grab and run. Oh. How's it going? I called earlier about picking up a car part. Also make sure it's not cracked. I think it's good. Okay, cool. Yeah, I just want to double check. Good or what?
Little nick right there.
That's not that
Should
big.
have had a piece of wood like that sign does.
Yeah.
It's the only part that ever gets messed up is the corners.
Looks good though. Besides that.
Paint the mesh black.
Well, good thing it's like Duraflex shit, so it can bend all stupid.
Jump on?
Yeah, supposedly.
We're done yet?
Not yet. Alright, what's up, Dream Chasers? What's up, Wrench Gang? David Van Voris, Kevin Van Voris, checking in for another video for you guys today. So yes, I bought another Dodge Viper hood, but it's not for Dodge Viper. It's for the Magnum, Project Stepchild.
You still have that?
Yes, I still have it.
You need to try that thing to work.
I know. Well, I wanted to get the hood on and the fenders, then it'll be good because it has the lights, so now it's legal.
Oh yeah, it's got headlights.
Yeah, I got headlights now. So, I ordered the hood like at least 2 months ago. Long time ago. They don't make this one anymore, so this was, I guess they just made it. It was from bodykitsonline.com or something like that. So this one took forever to get, but it's the one I wanted. It's the same design as the one the Trackhawk has. The Trackhawk hood is one of my favorite hoods. The Viper style, it's one of my favorite styles. So I found that online. It's been like 8 weeks at least for it to get here. So finally we got it. Had to inspect it real quick because the box is fucked up and the box is like moving
Dude,
back and forth. It's a family channel. Ain't nobody give a fuck about families, David.
Wow.
This is not a Mustang channel. David's practicing for his race car. So we're gonna go home. We'll test fit this on, and then need to see what bolts and shit since I threw literally everything away. And then hopefully this weekend I'll be able to drive it, and then we can start making videos about that. So I did what to my Dodge Magnum?
Have you ever taken it to caffeine cars?
No,
Oh my gosh.
maybe I can take it this weekend. So if you guys are in the area, our monthly charity car event is Saturday from 10 a.m. to noon at Street Volkswagen. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're donating to kids who need shoes. So if you have used or new kids athletic shoes, or if you just want to donate some money, come by 10 to noon Saturday the 14th. It's for a good cause. Anyways, we'll see you back at the house. All right, let's see what this bad boy looks like. Alright, 10. That shit smells like fiberglass. Yeah. All right, Dave, you want to do the honors?
Of what? Throwing it?
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa!
That's that, Ricky.
All right, I got it.
Pretty dumb.
So that's basically, I mean, we just gotta kind of even these out and move it around, but that's basically what the front end's gonna look like.
It's essentially we have 2 Vipers.
3.
Should name that the title.
I am.
I bought another Viper hood.
So that's what it looks like.
It looks pretty mean.
Like, it's not bad. Like,
Almost needs a front bumper now.
well, I did get a front bumper waiting on that too. So,
Surprise!
yeah. Ooh, who's calling me? Bullshit phone call. So, but that's kind of what it looks like.
It'd be cool if you had 2 seats.
I know, I really need to work on this. Well, if you guys are going to Tulsa this week, we need to work on this weekend. So the next plan is I need to get some bolts for the hood, and then bolts for the fenders, and oh yeah, because that's where it goes. So.
Aren't these bolted into the hood? I guess you only have 2 though.
No, I have 4.
There's 4 in there?
Yeah, there's 2 on each side. I guess we can.
Same put washers in.
Yeah. All right, maybe we'll try this out, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned for Van Boris Garage. All right, so I gotta run to Home Depot and get some bolts and stuff, so I'm not gonna film that. But this is basically what it's gonna look like. You guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I think it looks good. It's kind of like a Viper slash, I don't know what you, well, actually this looks like a Gen 4 Viper hood. Yeah, that's probably actually what it looks like more. So I need to get some bolts for this. I need to get some bolts for this. And then we can go get it inspected and we can actually start driving this thing around, and I get bolts for the headlights. So everything else works. The car functions good. I need to paint the wheels on this side, but I'm probably gonna leave them this color until I figure out what colors I'm actually gonna do on the wrap, because I haven't decided yet. I've kind of changed my mind seeing this black. So I'm not really sure. This is still the end goal over here, but there might be some changes to it. So obviously the hood's a little different. Need to get the bumper for it. We're not doing a rear bumper. We need to cut some of this back piece out. What else? Air ride's good, but we need to like cut out this piece, kind of clean up the electrical, cut out these bumper supports, kind of start cleaning up the back of this so it looks, you know, normal. Other than that, besides the seats, which we'll hopefully do this weekend, it's coming together pretty good. Need to get a CA windshield banner, and then at least that way I can start driving it around and kind of fucking around with it. So anyways, that's it for today's video. So we finally got the Viper hood in for the Dodge Magnum Project Stepchild, which I'm super stoked about. And don't forget, we're gonna be giving this car away to one of you guys. So at the end, I don't know if it's gonna be in 6 months or a year, but whenever we finish it, we are gonna give it away to one of you guys, because I don't know, I figured it'd be a cool thing to do on YouTube, is give this to one of you guys. Maybe one of you guys who would want it or need it, or I don't know, have it as a giant trophy, I guess. It's definitely gonna be unique. Misa is coming to Amarillo, Texas in a week, which I'm very excited about. So you know that means we're wrapping this. No, we're not wrapping the Dodge Viper. I know everyone's like, "Are you?" No, I'm not wrapping it. I'm keeping it the way it is for a while. To me, I don't want to wrap it unless I'm gonna keep it for a while. Like this, I'm never selling, so this is gonna stay wrapped for a long time. This, we're wrapping because we're gonna give it away eventually, but yeah. So, huge shout out to everybody who's supporting the Magnum build, all the sponsors. You guys are awesome, and everybody who obviously is supporting the channel. Thank you guys so much. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, hopefully we'll get this thing going here pretty soon. We'll get the hood on, the fenders on, the headlights mounted correctly, and then maybe I'll take it to Caffeine and Cars this weekend. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys follow me at KellyBoyKev on Instagram and on Snapchat. I'm out this bitch.